Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, open Settings. After that, you need to choose Notifications, scroll down a bit, click See All, and tap on the switcher next to one of your apps, for example Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now disabled. You can turn them back on by tapping at the same switcher, but you can also click on one of your apps and manage notifications by clicking on the switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!